Hello, welcome back again, guys. So here is this wonderful sorry, and in this tutorial I want to show you guys how to use the UDP protocol on Hackkcah.com. Sorry, it's one of the best UDP websites that provides that kind of protocol, which is the UDP protocol. Okay, but the only problem is that it is a little bit tricky, especially when you are trying to create an account over there. Okay, so in this short tutorial I will teach you how to go about that. Their servers too are very stable and fast. Okay, so let's visit the website. Sorry. So you type in the thing Hackkcah.com. So the first one, so this is their homepage. You scroll down a little. So it has the premium versions too. So if you want the premium, you can get unlimited bandwidth and all that, dedicated IP address, a whole lot. Okay, but for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to use the normal one, which is the free version. So we are using the UDP protocol. So after scrolling down here, we choose this one, UDP custom. Okay, wait for it to load. Just watch this step carefully. You'll be able to create it yourself or do it yourself. So you scroll down again, the servers are down there. So the first one is this is the first one, this is the first server, this is the first server, and this is the second. So we have a lot of them down there. So you choose anyone that you want, but most often it's advisable to choose a server or a country which is closer to your country, so that your connection will be faster. Okay, so choose any of them that you want based on on the strength of the connection, how you want it. So let's choose the first one for the sake of this tutorial. Then you scroll down small. After scrolling down, come and click on what? Create. Click on create. Close the adverts. You scroll down a little. So here you input the account details. Here you have the username, the password. Okay, so we type in the username and the password. So the password, the minimum characters should be 6. Okay, after creating everything, you come to the down here, then you click on create. So sorry, you click on create. Click on this button to create. Okay, so after clicking on it, there will be a couple of pop-ups. Okay, so you scroll down small, then you come and click on what? Click on I'm not a robot. Okay, that's the first pop-up. You scroll down small too again, you click on what? Confirm request. That's how this website is. It's quite complicated. If you don't really know how it works, you might think nothing works over here. This not like the other website that you just input everything after they click on create, then it will create automatically for you. This one you have to go through some manual processes. Okay, so the account has been created and it's in the form of pop-up. Okay, but you can click on this button to close it. So here we have the logins. So here is the username, the password, and the expiry date. Okay, just 3 days like I said, and the simultaneous connection limit, this is 1. Okay, you click on the options over here to switch. Okay, so here we have the direct host name, and then we have the Cloudflare server or the IP2. Then you come to the protocol, you click on the protocol. That's where you get the main server ID. So this is the server IP and the port. Okay, and this is the full set. If you are using this UDP account for HTTP custom, then everything has been made already for you. So just click on copy to copy it and paste into the HTTP custom. Okay, because this one it has the host name, the IP address, the username, and the password. So everything has been integrated already. So you just have to click here, click on this button, copy it and paste into the HTTP custom. It's very simple. So in my next tutorial, I'll show you guys how to integrate it into the or configure it in the HTTP custom to use it. Okay, so kindly stay tuned to my channel for more updates like this. Thank you very much.